Tracking the market conditions when you open, roll, and close an options trade on the tastytrade mobile app is made easy with the Order Chains Market Snapshot feature. To find this new feature, all you need to do is find one of your open positions in the Positions tab. Tap on your position to select it, and then at the bottom of your screen, tap on Order Chains. Once you're in the Order Chains window, you're going to see all your open positions on this symbol and any previous trades based on the certain time frame we have selected at the top. Right here, we see the vertical spread on Netflix that we just selected. If we wanted to check out that market snapshot, we just need to tap on our open position, and then at the bottom of the screen, tap on View Market State Snapshots. In this window, you're going to see where the underlying price was when you opened your trade. Also, you'll see extra points if you made rolls on this trade or closed the position. When you tap on this drop down here, you can also check out what the IV rank was when you opened, the IV index, your position's net delta, and net theta. If we go back to our screen and check out a previous trade where we made a roll and tap on that trade right here, we're going to see multiple points on our market snapshot showing us where we opened, rolled, and then closed our position. In this example, we opened our position when the price was 479.30, we rolled this position when it was at 479, and then we closed the trade at 478.60, all within the span of about 10-15 minutes, noted with the dates and times at the bottom. If we go to our different metrics here, we can see as this trade progressed, where IV rank went, IV index, our net delta, and as well net theta on all of our options trades on the tastytrade mobile app. If you're looking for more tutorials on the tastytrade mobile app, be sure to subscribe. Oh, jeez. Uh-oh. I was so close. If you're looking for more tutorials on the tastytrade mobile app, be sure to subscribe to our channel below.